All right, number 8. I know last video I was planning on getting this squeezed in there, but I didn't. So here's another video, just number 8, and it's talking about Jeremy looking out a hotel window. He's looking at the Statue of Liberty, but because he is already a certain height off the ground, he has both an angle of elevation to the top of the statue as well as an angle of depression to the bottom of the statue. So the picture looks a little bit different, but let's get that drawn out here. So it's kind of like one of those, here he is kind of, let's pretend like he's at the top window. I don't know. That's the building. He's going to be looking out at, let's go with blue. The statue. The statue is here. Really basic. I don't want to embarrass myself by trying to sketch the Statue of Liberty. So there it is. It's a big rectangle. Now, the point, though, is that we have this line of sight. So we know one piece of information is the hotel is 70 feet from the statue. Now, let's be honest. If we're talking reality, I don't know what hotel is 70 feet from the Statue of Liberty, okay, but that's probably not realistic. So I hate to say it, we do have to stick with that number, but there. 70 feet is that horizontal distance. And what we're saying, though, is they're going to look up, looking up 69.3 degrees. So that's this angle here, 0.3 degrees. Then it says they're going to look down. Let's change that. Erase. We're looking down at the bottom of the statue. And that angle is 59.7. Okay. I got to redraw that as down here just so that's not in the way. But anyways, we've got a 69.3 degree angle up and a 59.7 degree down, and we know that, I'll put it in there like that, that's there, 70 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw this triangle, 69.3, and that's 70 feet. So really the question here is, we'll call that T to get to the top. Then we're going to have another triangle that's looking down, and that's 70 feet. That one was 59.7. And we'll call that variable B. So what we have is tan of 69. There, and so T is just, take 70 times tangent of 69.3. And we get 185.25 feet. And then down here we have the same idea, the tangent. This time is 59.7 degrees. That ratio is opposite, so B in this case over 70. So B is 70 times tangent of 59.7. That's equal to 119.79 feet. So the overall statue, H, is really the length to the top plus the length to the bottom. You add those two together, 185 plus, so 185, 285, 295, so 305. So if you add them up, you get 305.04 feet. And let's be honest, I am really curious. I'm going to Google that real quick and see. So hold on. All right. I just checked on that, and you are never going to believe this. 305 feet. I'll be damned. Look at that. So, although the 70 feet away from the Statue of Liberty does not seem accurate, I will still stand by that. But the height of the statue does turn out to be magically the correct height. So there you go. That's number 8. I will move on to the last page. in the next video.